Hello viewers, this is Rahul Agrawal, ICRA Senior Economist, and I will be covering the recent inflation trends and outlook in this month's macro podcast. So the CPI inflation came in at 3.5% in April 2026, well below our expectations of 3.9% for the month and only marginally higher than the reading for the previous month. This lower than expected print offers some respite amid elevated energy prices and the possibility of a subpar monsoon. Moreover, core inflation also remained stable at 3.4% in the month. Nevertheless, the fallout of the West Asia crisis has started to seep into higher inflation and is reflected across some items in the CPI basket, such as fuels and food items, airfares, and restaurants. This effect is only set to intensify further in the ongoing month. Besides, the second round impact of higher input costs is also expected to lead to a pass-through to the CPI print for May 2026. As per the available data on food items, inflation rates have hardened across most food items in early May as compared to April 26. This is largely owing to erratic weather conditions and supply disruptions. ICRA expects the food and beverages inflation print to harden further to about 4.5% in May from about 4% in the previous month. Overall, we expect the CPI inflation to harden to around 4.1% in May from 3.5% in April, which is around the midpoint of the MPC's medium-term target range of 2 to 6%. Additionally, customs duty hike on gold and silver is also expected to bump up the CPI inflation print slightly in the ongoing month. Overall, given this and the downside risks to growth, we expect the MPC to remain on hold during the June 2026 policy review. So that's it for this month. See you next month. Thank you.